Kementerian Pertahanan Rusia merilis hasil operasi militer khusus di Ukraina pada 12 November 2022 kemarin. Angkatan Bersenjata Federasi Rusia melanjutkan operasi militer khusus. Penerbangan tempur Angkatan Udara Rusia telah menembak jatuh satu helikopter Mi-8 Angkatan Udara Ukraina di dekat Yasnaya Polyana, wilayah Zaporozhye. Fasilitas pertahanan udara telah menembak jatuh 6 kendaraan udara tak berawak di dekat Novaya Tarasovka, wilayah Kharkov, Petrovskoye, Kirillovka, Republik Rakyat Donetsk, dan Chistopolye, wilayah Zaporozhye. Selain itu, 3 proyektil berpeluncur roket yang diluncurkan oleh sistem roket multi-peluncuran HIMARS dan Olka telah dicegat di dekat Novaya Kakhovka, Novaya Mayachka, wilayah Kherson, dan Volnovaka, wilayah Republik Rakyat Donetsk.
By counterattacks towards Stepnoye, Vladimirovka and Pavlovka of Donetsk People's Republic, operation of artillery and army aviation has resulted in the elimination of over 85 militants, 7 armored fighting vehicles and 2 pickups. Operational tactical and army aviation, missile troops and artillery have neutralized 4 Ukrainian command posts near Gavrilovka, Alexandrovka of Kherson region, Zhovtnevoye of Nikolaev region, and Chernyshina of Kharkov region, as well as 58 artillery units at their firing positions, manpower and military equipment in 236 areas. 2 US-manufactured AN-TPQ-50 and AN-TPQ-36 counter-battery warfare radars have been destroyed near Lozovaya of Kharkov region and Zelonaya Dolina of Donetsk People's Republic. 1 ordnance depot of the 44th Artillery Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces has been destroyed near Varvarovka in Zaporozhye region. 1 armament and equipment depot has been destroyed near Peshchanoye in Kharkov region. Within the counter-battery warfare, 1 battery of the US-manufactured M777 artillery systems has been neutralized near Kruglekovka of Kharkov region. Fighter aircraft of the Russian Aerospace Forces has shot down 1 Mi-8 helicopter of the Ukrainian Air Force near Yasnaya Polyana in Zaporozhye region. Air defense facilities have shot down 6 unmanned aerial vehicles near Novaya Tarasovka of Kharkov region, Petrovskoye, Kirillovka of Donetsk People's Republic, and Chistopolye of Zaporozhye region. Moreover, 3 rocket-propelled projectiles launched by HIMARS and Olha multiple launch rocket systems have been intercepted near Novaya Kakhovka, Novaya Mayachka in Kherson region, and Volnovaka of Donetsk People's Republic. In total, 333 airplanes and 175 helicopters, 2,492 unmanned aerial vehicles, 388 air defense missile systems, 6,550 tanks and other armored combat vehicles, 886 combat vehicles equipped with MRLS, 3,574 field artillery cannons and motors, as well as 7,187 units of special military equipment have been destroyed during the special military operation.
Terima kasih sudah nonton. Jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan share ya.